Okay, well, Monday didn't start off with too much activity across the region. We did have some lighter snowflakes as you go a little farther south across the coverage area, and even here into the west, we're having a little weak feature trying to work its way closer to the area. But not going to see a lot, and as we head into the evening, a lot of this snow will decrease, and we're just expecting mostly cloudy skies throughout the remainder of the night. Temperatures won't be bad for us either, expecting those around the mid to upper teens for overnight lows, which is well above average for this time of the year, when we should typically be in the middle single digits. Now, a look at our current conditions. We are at 23 degrees, winds out of the south at 8 miles per hour. We are seeing some of that light snow here in Marquette, but looking at temperatures across the entire region, we're seeing lower 20s here. Farther off to the west, well, we're not seeing quite as cool conditions. At 28 right now in Ironwood, 26 in Ontonagon, middle 20s in Florence, and down in Menominee and eastward. Look at these temperatures. Currently in the middle 20s at 24 in Munising and Manistee, 27 in Escanaba, and at 23 in Ishpeming. So not too far off of our averages, maybe a few degrees below them, but still a pleasant afternoon with very little snowfall. And winds coming in from the west, 6 here in Houghton, while at 6 in Munising, 6 also into Iron Mountain, while at 7 in Escanaba. Not too breezy. We're expecting winds as we head into the evening to continue out of the south to bring in some of that milder air that we will see by tomorrow. And middle 20s across most of the UP. And as you go farther south, actually seeing some of those upper 30s in Flint and in Detroit. And yes, a cooler air mass in place across the region, but not too much cooler than where we were just yesterday. And wind chills in the teens in Marquette and in Iron Mountain and Escanaba, while in the 20s as you go farther downstate. Well, heading into the evening, we're going to see mostly cloudy skies, a bit chilly, but heading into tomorrow, maybe a slight chance of a light snow shower here or there. We should see some partially sunny skies as well. It won't be too active of a day for us, and remaining relatively cloudy because it looks like we'll miss out on the storm that comes in and affects the lower peninsula with some very heavy snowfall for us. Well, we'll be on the backside with just some light snow. But here's a look at your setup right now. High pressure in control of the region. It's going to be in control as we head into the evening, causing a lot of the activity to either go to our north or to our south. And heading into tomorrow, high pressure continues to work its way eastward, which will allow more of that south wind to bring in that milder air. Your Futurecast model on tonight, some breaks in the clouds, and also as we go into Tuesday, we'll see some of those breaks. But a very slight chance of a light snow shower making its way through before we head into tomorrow night. Quiet down yet again and go on into Wednesday as we'll see that feature down off to the south and to our east, providing heavier snowfall for them. But for us across the UP, well, we'll stay on the quieter side. Tonight we'll drop down to 19, an overcast and chilly evening with winds out of the south between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's a look at Tuesday. Isolated flakes with winds out of the south-southwest around 5 to 15. Temperatures about a good 10 degrees warmer than today. 36 in Lawrence at 37 in Crystal Falls. Upper 30s in Escanaba, Manistee, and in Munising. And Marquette, well, we'll top off at 35. That slight 20% chance of snow comes in for us on Tuesday. Wednesday, partly sunny sky with highs in the upper 20s. Starting to see that number really drop, though, as we head into Thursday, down to 23 with light snow pushing through. But the Arctic push doesn't come in until next week. You'll see next Sunday down to 15 degrees and 12 for your afternoon high on Monday. But over the next few days, we'll see temperatures slowly but gradually start to cool off for us, but not expecting a lot of snow.